Hey guys, it is me, Allie K. Campbell. This is my channel. It's dedicated to getting real, having fun, and living sober. If you'd like to get regular non-alcoholic beverage reviews in your inbox or like in your YouTube subscription area, like go ahead and subscribe here. Part of my living sober involves delicious beverages, obviously are free from alcohol. So I had the pleasure of getting a big box of LifeAid beverages sent to me, which is perfect for my purposes, considering, as far as I know, they're all alcohol free. And I've tried some of their stuff in the past, and I really enjoyed their energy drinks. I'm going to unbox this right now so you guys can see what's up. Let's open this up. Don't mind the messiness of the rest of my desk. It's awful. I'm in the process of cleaning it. Only the good stuff. You down with that? Ooh. Guys, what? It came with a little bag. How adorable is this? I love it so much. Vitamins you'll enjoy drinking, which I'm a big vitamin person, so I'm definitely down with that. Okay, I'm just gonna like take this huge box of drinks out of this other huge box of drinks. Very heavy, not the strongest person in the world. Oh, shit. Yo, check this out. Are you kidding me? This is incredible. I'm so excited right now. In this box, I have, I don't know, there's like, I think one of every type of drink that they have in here. They actually specifically said, like, if you're gonna drink these, drink them chilled. Put one of each in my fridge, let them chill first. Let them chill. Then I'm gonna come back and do the review for probably one of the ones that don't have caffeine because it's kind of late in the day right now. So I have decided to first review LifeAid CBD low calorie herbal lemon balance blend. This is their balance blend, which includes 20 milligrams broad spectrum hemp extract, CBD plus cannabinoids, adaptogens, rosemary, yes, lemon balm, and of course they mentioned that this is THC free, which is super important for people who are in recovery. Some people might not even feel 100% comfortable drinking anything with CBD in it, which is totally, fine. That's your own prerogative. For me, it's not a trigger point so long as there's no THC in it, which is the psychoactive chemical in the cannabis plant. I'm good, I'm really excited to drink this, guys. It just worked out really well today. I drank too much caffeine today, and CBD helps to relax your system. It helps reduce anxiety for some people. It helps reduce stress. Generally, it creates like an equilibrium in your system. I would like to come down from all the caffeine that I've been drinking all day. Just to start off with the look, I really love this. Super clean, super minimalist. I really like colors right off the bat. Like, there's nothing on here that's trying to like take my eye away from the ingredients. Like, it's trying to pull me to show me what exactly is in this drink, so I know what I'm putting in my body. Love that level of transparency in a brand. As far as nutrition goes, one can is 40 calories, not too shabby. 9 carbs, not too bad at all. 7 grams of total sugar. Proprietary blend, which is the rosemary extract, the lemon balm, the nano emulsified broad spectrum hemp extract. Other ingredients involve carbonated water, certified raw organic blue agave nectar, that's where the sugar comes from, natural flavors, citric acid, and organic stevia extract. Okay, I'm pretty good with all those ingredients, guys. Nothing I can't pronounce, nothing that seems unhealthy or super worrisome to me. Love rosemary, I love lemon. Those are like very calming aromas and scents for me. Okay, I wasn't expecting, oh wow. I wasn't expecting it to explode. This is really good. Granted, it's all over me, and now my floor has had a chance to taste it as well. And my dresser, and my cat, and my pants. It is super yummy. It's not overly sweet. It's not super carbonated. It actually reminds me of a healthy tasting Sprite. It definitely tastes more like a traditional soda than a seltzer, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Most soda is awful for you. This is not. This doesn't seem to be. You can definitely taste a lot of the lemon. The lemon is what sticks out the most for me. I don't taste anything that I would recognize as like a hemp flavor, which actually might be a good thing for some people. I don't think most people necessarily like the flavor of hemp. So I don't really taste that. It seems like the lemon balm really overpowers that. This is really good. I like it a lot. It wasn't that I was expecting it to be bad by any means, but I wasn't expecting it to be as lovely as it is. I can't really quite taste the rosemary either. I would say, again, like the lemon is the most established flavor there. It's very refreshing. I like it. I do. I like it. I think that I can easily give this a 5 out of 1 to 5. I mean, would I like for there to be, you know, less sugar and less carbs? I guess so. But at the same time, that's not a deal breaker for me. I know for some people it might be, but that like doesn't bother me at all. And if I'm gonna have something like a drink that is, you know, this is called their balance blend, if it's, you know, designed to help de-stress me and help like lessen anxiety. A lot of people tend to drink alcohol for those reasons, not realizing that a lot of the time alcohol actually does the opposite of that. So if I were to replace what a normal person would use alcohol with this for stress reduction or something like that, it has way less sugar, way less carbs than a beer or like a mixed drink or anything like that. Overall, it's an upgrade. Yeah, I love it. It's super good. In terms of price, you can actually go on the LifeAid website and get like a subscribe and save and get these packed to you regularly. I can't really tell how much just one individual drink is. I can't imagine it being more than like $3 or $4 for one of these. Probably around the same price as a Red Bull. Well, honestly, comparing it to Red Bull is like apples and oranges because this isn't an energy drink. This is a drink trying to promote balance. I'm not gonna go there, but I'm assuming it's probably around the $3 to $4 range, not more than that. But if you want to try these and you want a discount, make sure to check out my Patreon because any brand partnerships or brands that I do videos with or for or anything like that, I have access to any like discounts or anything like that. I put those in for my patrons. I'm gonna be doing quite a few LifeAid reviews moving forward because I have one of each of their beverages. So I'm really excited to check out the rest of them. If you're new here, like go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely like this. Give it a 5 out of 5. That's the best that you can get right here on this channel. See ya.